Exodus Wallet is a user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet that supports multiple digital assets. Here's how to install and use it. Download and install Exodus Wallet. Visit the official Exodus website at exodus.com. Choose the correct version for your operating system and download the wallet. Follow the installation instructions to complete the process. For mobile, find Exodus on the App Store or Google Play and install it. Create a new wallet or import an existing one. Open the app after installation. If you're new, select Create New Wallet. Exodus will generate a backup phrase for recovery. Write this down and keep it safe. If you're importing an existing wallet, select Restore Wallet and enter your recovery phrase. Add cryptocurrencies to your wallet. From the main screen, click on Wallet to view your assets. To receive funds, click Receive next to the cryptocurrency you want. This will display a QR code and wallet address to share with others. Send cryptocurrencies. To send coins, click Send and enter the recipient's wallet address, amount, and confirm the transaction.